1976 Porsche 911 Targa slant nose conversion. Price: $4,332. Location: Indiana, USA. The moment you lay eyes on this 1976 Porsche 911 Targa, you realize this isn't just another classic Porsche. Finished in a legendary Guards red paint and featuring a bold slant nose conversion, this car commands attention from every angle. Even standing still, it looks like it's ready to attack the road. But here's the twist: this iconic sports car is currently waiting for someone with the vision to bring it back to life. The most striking feature is undoubtedly its aftermarket slant nose body conversion, inspired by the ultra-rare Porsche 930 Flachbau models that became legendary during the 1980s. Combined with the removable Targa roof, this Porsche offers a unique blend of aggressive styling and open-air driving enjoyment. It's the kind of classic that instantly becomes the center of attention at any car show or weekend cruise. Power comes from an upgraded 3.2-liter flat-six engine equipped with fuel injection, a significant improvement over the original powertrain. This engine upgrade makes the car far more desirable among Porsche enthusiasts because it delivers improved reliability, stronger performance, and a driving experience that stays true to the unmistakable Porsche character. While the car isn't currently running, the upgraded engine alone makes this project incredibly interesting. Looking around the exterior, you'll notice plenty of performance-inspired details. Chrome Fuchs-style wheels perfectly complement the classic Porsche silhouette, while the rear spoiler adds a sporty touch that hints at its racing heritage. Bosch taillights, clean body lines, and the unmistakable slant nose front end create a combination that looks both vintage and exotic. This is the kind of Porsche that people stop to photograph wherever it goes. Inside the cabin, the vintage atmosphere continues with comfortable bucket seats wrapped in tan upholstery that contrasts beautifully with the Guards red exterior. The Momo steering wheel gives the driver a true sports car feel, while VDO instrumentation keeps everything authentic to the Porsche driving experience. Additional features like power windows, an AM or FM radio, and an analog clock make this classic enjoyable without sacrificing its old-school charm. Of course, this Porsche isn't perfect. It currently does not run, meaning it will require mechanical work before returning to the road. However, for experienced restorers or passionate enthusiasts, that's exactly where the excitement begins. Every classic restoration tells a story, and this 911S offers the opportunity to create one of your own. Instead of buying a finished car, you get the satisfaction of building your dream Porsche exactly the way you want it. One of the biggest reasons this car stands out is its unbelievable asking price. At just $4,332, it's difficult to ignore the value being offered here.